No, we are going to have to call in for help.
No, we're not calling. You're going to get out and push.
I'm going to get out and push. Why should I get out and push?
You're going to push.
Fine, I'll push, but you are going to let me drive.
Fine.
Fine is right. Yeah, we're stuck, all right. Okay, let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Hey, wait a minute. Wait for me. Becky. While we were stuck in the desert, Ivan Ironman Stewart continued to dominate his race. His race truck was performing flawlessly, but it wasn't long before it was time for a pit stop. And a new set of tires. 20 seconds later, he was back on the course and headed for the finish line. It had been some time now, and we were still lost, or should I say confused. No, I think it's safe to say we were lost. So we headed to the top of the nearest hill to get a better look at the terrain.
Oh, no. Did you see what I see?
That looks like the base camp to me.
It is the base camp.
Well, we still haven't found the course, but we found the camp.
Oh, my God.
So much for this map.
But I just don't get it.
Well, let's go face the music.
We read the map. Oh, Dave, I can't believe we got lost.
We should have had a compass.
We should have.
Uh-oh. Where have you two been? The race is over.
Over?
We got lost.
But look, we read the map.
Look, you have the map upside down. You told me that you knew how to read a map.
You said you knew how to read a map.
Should have asked for help. Should never be afraid to ask for help. The Demolition Derby is another fun form of racing. The idea here is to crash into the other cars without doing too much damage to your car. You can only hit from the front and the back of the other cars, and they've all been specially modified for safety. The last car still running at the end of the race is the winner. Way to go, 007. Racing takes place on an oval or circular track. The cars race against each other and travel at well over 100 miles per hour. Has its own support vehicle, usually a big 18-wheeler that carries the car from place to place and has all the spare parts. Look at this great race car. We've come to Tucson, Arizona now to a NASCAR race at the Tucson Raceway. Now this car behind me is pretty neat. It might look like a car you might see at home on the street, but it just looks like one because underneath it's totally different. It has 500 plus horsepower. It'll go 165 miles an hour in the straightaway, and it is fast. And guess what? The Eagle Snack Team has agreed to let me, Dave, be part of the pit crew.
Come on, Dave.
Whoa!
Hector, you got to get this tire.
Come on along.
Come on over here.
What do I do? Just put that tire.
Eagle Snack Southwest Tour stock car. A lot of hard work, but a whole bunch of fun and a great thing to get into for all you kids. So come on, let's go work on the car and have some fun.
Each member of the crew has a special job to do. Even the slightest difference in tire pressure can mean the difference between winning and losing the race. Take a look at these tires, real close. If you do, you'll notice that there isn't any tread on the tires. They're totally flat. Now, the reason for that, I'm told, is that it keeps more of the surface of the tire on the track. That way it doesn't allow the car to slide around so much. This is a stock car. Look at the size of that engine. It's really pretty basic. There's the radiator there that keeps the engine cool. Engine's right here. Boom, 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 boom. Makes the power that goes to the wheels and makes the car go fast and come down here in the cockpit and look around. Really very simple. No air conditioner, no stereo, nothing like you have in your car at home. Just a steering wheel, a shifter, a gas pedal, a clutch pedal, and one seat for the driver. And then there's this roll cage that keeps it safe should the car roll over.
Well, we're ready to race at Tucson Raceway Park, but we always keep safety in mind. We have my driver's suit, my shoes, my helmet, and my racing gloves, all for the sake of safety. And remember, always race on the racetrack, never in the street. Now, Dave and the team have the car ready to go, so let's go racing.
Ready to go?
Ready to go. Good luck.
Everything must be done as quickly and as safely as possible to get the car back onto the track and back into the race. These are top fuel dragsters. They're built for just one thing, going as fast as possible from a standing stop to as fast as 200 miles an hour in the quarter mile. First, they warm up the tires for better traction, and then they are ready to beat the clock. They go so fast, they need a parachute to stop.